Mr. Stewart, back at you again, running these videos through for you, getting the information uploaded for you so you guys can revise. So we're moving on from the last video. Last video was all about the Nazi religious policy and the effect on the Christians and their initial reaction. Yeah? So this video, what we're going to be looking at is, I'm not up my nose, there's a revision guide. Don't forget to use that tonight. Finish off your revision notes, answer the practice exam questions in there. So the question we're going to be looking at is, why did Nazi policies for German Christians affect them more than other groups? So what you need is the video about Nazi policies for Christians is actually called the Nazi religious policy video. You need the examples in there in that video and add it to this information now. So why did the policies for German Christians affect them more than other groups? So by other groups, I mean more than it affected the youth, more than it affected women, more than it affected the workers. So that's what I'm talking about there, okay? So don't get confused by what it means by other groups. So I'm going to tell you an answer that you could put with your two examples from the previous video. So you would start off by saying the Nazi policies for German Christians affected them more than other groups because their approach to spirituality was being controlled and directed to worship the idea of Nazism. The freedom to pray and reflect was taken away and being replaced by the fear of Nazi persecution, for example, when Catholic priests were being arrested. This is clear when leaders, also such as Galen, were put under house arrest for being anti-Nazi. Galen was a leading member of the Catholic Church in Germany. Full stop. And that's it. And that is why Nazi policies for German Christians affected them more than other groups. It's purely because they were controlling their spirituality and their freedom to pray. I'm Mr. Stewart. I'll be back again soon. Peace!